Who are you? Have you ever truly asked yourself that question? Who am I? Why am I here? Where did I come from? Maybe you're always asking yourself that question. Something happens when you awaken that you can't stop asking the question, who am I really? What's really going on inside me? Just take a moment and ask yourself, who am I? And be honest with yourself with the answer. You are not your social roles. You are not what you do. You are not what you think. You are as God created you. You know, A Course in Miracles, especially the workbook, it kind of works like a hologram. Hologram, the whole is found in every part. And so every lesson has the opportunity to awaken you in its totality. And lesson 191 is no less of an example. The lesson states, I am the Holy Son of God Himself. If you are as God created you, you are the Holy Son of God Himself. And I know that that's going to bring up some stuff. No, but I am a failure. I am a mistake. I am doubtful and insecure. We are so afraid of flying too close to the sun for fear that we're going to fail, for fear that we're going to have a hard fall. We are willing to live in that place of fear rather than see who we truly are as God created us from all eternity, as the Holy Son of God Himself. There is a beautiful paragraph in lesson 191, and I'll read it to you. You who perceive yourself as weak and frail, with futile hopes and devastated dreams, born but to die, to weep and suffer pain, hear this. All power is given unto you in earth and in heaven. There is nothing that you cannot do. You play the game of death, of being helpless, pitifully tied to disillusion in a world which shows no mercy to you. Yet, when you accorded mercy, will its mercy shine on you? So can you just reframe how you see yourself, the identity that you believe you have of yourself? In its word, one holy thought like this, and you are free. You are the Holy Son of God Himself. That is who you are, that is who you were, and that is who you will be. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts. Let the fears come up. No one is telling you not to feel what you truly believe to be true, but to see beyond it, to see beyond the appearance. So if you have resistance to this idea that you are holy, experience the resistance. Experience it until you realize that it is not true, that all it's doing is keeping you in a state of suffering, in a state of pain, because that is what resistance is. Resistance is the experience of pain. Pain is the experience of resistance. So see yourself as you truly are and let go of the resistance of the limited sense of self, also known as the false self. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next lesson. Thank you.